What is up, everybody? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to see if we can learn Node.js using ChatGPT. And I don't know how to use Node.js, really. I know JavaScript a little bit, but Node.js not so much. It seems to be a pretty interesting implementation. It's fast, it's scalable, so I'm just going to do some preliminary investigation about Node.js, and we'll see where it takes us. We're going to use ChatGPT to get right on into that, so let's go here. And we're going to say, tell me about Node.js in 1,000 words. Describe it to me as a new user, but with good programming and web dev experience. Sure, I'd be happy to introduce you to Node.js. It's an open source cross-platform and runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code on the server side. It was first released in 2009, has since gained a lot of popularity in web development community due to its speed, scalability, and flexible. So that's what I like about it, is that it's a solution that you can it'll suit the needs, of your project as you grow, right? Because that's like the worst thing, is to get pigeonholed into a solution. As a new user with programming and web development experience, you may already be familiar with JavaScript, the language that Node.js is built on. However, you may be more used to working with JavaScript on the client side, where it's used in data interactivity of web pages. In contrast, Node.js allows you to use JavaScript to create server-side applications, such as web servers and APIs and command line tools. One of the key features of Node.js is its event-driven architecture, which is based on the concept of asynchronous I/O. This means instead of waiting for each I/O operation to complete before moving on to the next one, Node.js allows multiple I/O operations to be performed simultaneously. It can lead to a much faster and more efficient server-side applications. Oh, that's nice. Built-in packages manager called Node NPM, which is just Node Package Manager. So I've used that before. Easy to install. Handle large amounts of data and traffic. In addition to its speed and scalability, Node.js is known for its ease of use and flexibility. It's relatively small. To get started with Node.js, you need to install on your computer, download and installing the appropriate package software. So in summary, Node.js is a powerful and flexible runtime environment that allows developers to create server-side applications using JavaScript. It's event-driven architecture, asynchronous, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so write me a basic program using Node.js that gives me a simple front-end interface. I wonder if that's possible. Did I ask the right question? This program will use the Express framework to create a web server that serves a basic HTML page with a form. Okay. Interesting. To run this program, you'll need to create a new directory and save this code as a file named app.js. And we have to go here, npm install. Okay. So I wonder if we can go in our test thing and create a new file called app.js. Save that. And then we have to open up a terminal in the directory and then run the following command. So let's go here, new window. And we're going to what's the name of this directory? Node.js projects. Okay, and then we're going to have to run that code, right? I think I have I do have Node.js installed on this computer. It's just been a while. 7 packages are looking for funding. Run npm fund for details. Npm fund. I don't even know what that means, but we're going to do it. Okay, I don't know what that did. Do we rerun this now? Up to date, audited 58. Okay, fair enough. so we've got that running, and then finally run this command using node app.server. Module not found. Cannot find app.js. Oh, and I think I installed it to the wrong directory. No, I did. I installed it to the wrong directory. So we go back here. There we go. Server's running here. Okay, so I'm going to put this error back. Server was unable to find the index. Well, you didn't say anything about having an index.html. So it's a problem about this code is that I wasn't actually reading. Oh yeah, see there it is, right? So I need this file. I need this file. So there is some sort of file necessary here. It's called index.html. I don't even know why it's there. Go back here. Okay. The code you provided me before didn't have an index.html file. Can you produce one for this project? Certainly. Here's an index.html file you can use for this project. So I think it just forgot to give me that file. So you have to kind of fumble around a bit with ChatGPT. There you go. Copy the code. We go here, index.html. Go back here, and hey, there you go. I know, I've never done that before. So I learned this totally on the fly as you guys were here, and kind of crazy, but now we can build our app out. So thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and have a great day.